Well, big data, as you can see, a lot of the shows around here, big data is a very big concern for operators in general. Hitachi Data Systems has very good platforms and middleware that enable customer analytics, and for a lot of type of applications, is the service providers are stuck between having to store and keep all this data, but they'd actually like to be able to generate some revenue from it, is it's costing them money to maintain it. So some of the applications that Hitachi does as part of our ecosystem is to enable the service providers to make money or to reduce churn from the masses of big data that they have. Right. So some of the operational challenges, of course, are with the proliferation of smartphones and tablets. The data explosion in the network is massive, and even though year by year the cost for storage has been decreasing, the amount of data that's being stored because of the different applications, the M2M, everything else, it has been increasing exponentially. So the idea would be, of course, from the operator standpoint, to be able to see how they can take advantage of the data that's already in their network and that they have to maintain, to be able to do product differentiation, to be able to generate additional services, to be able to reduce the churn, increase your ARPU. So some of the platforms and the middleware that Hitachi Data Systems has allows operators or other third parties to be able to build on top of those applications and be able to quickly find, index, store, retrieve the data that is the basis for all the analytics. So that's what Hitachi Data Systems does in the areas of big data. The solutions, particularly, so we're highlighting several of the solutions that are built on top of our platforms to do it, as I said, to improve the. So the C chain is particularly a multi-screen environment to allow operators to, particularly for cable or the other ones, to be able to utilize the videos and get data that's flowing through theirs. The JDSU solutions is to allow operators to better able to see what's happening in their network, so that if there's an issue or there's a problem, particularly in real time, then the operators can go back and try to fix it, because that affects the quality of service from the subscriber experience. So data centers are very big in service providers are up to the point where they're consolidating and going from smaller ones to much larger ones. The virtualization and the other technologies that Hitachi uses allow them to quickly take advantage of the economies of scale and move from the siloized architecture. So you have a BSS system, you have an OSS system, you have some network analytics, and traditionally they've all run on separate pieces of hardware. So the data center consolidation and the Hitachi platforms allow them to put all these together. And if they're in one platform like that, then you can quickly run your network analytics on an end-to-end set of data, rather than everybody having their own spreadsheets that some business analyst someplace has to be able to pull out to get meaningful results. So it increases the ability to more quickly turn around the use of your data, as well as to achieve a much better economies of scale using the underlying data.